Hey, so we actually had a feeding on last weekend. We also put together some blessing bags for the Hopeful Homeless. And I just wanted to show you how super simple and very easy and inexpensive it is actually to put together blessing bags. So here I am showing you the Ziploc bags that we purchased from the Dollar Tree. I actually can get 13 bags for $1. And also we have a pair of socks here. We have black and white. You can actually purchase 120 pairs of socks from Amazon actually, and it's about $72 or so for 120 pairs of socks. So remember, in this blessing bags, we are only putting together the essentials, right? So the number one need of the Hopeful Homeless, as we know, is the socks, right? Because remember, some of them are diabetic. Of course, we don't want them to get any infections or anything like that. So put as many pair of socks as you can put in there. Actually, we were able to put 3 pair on this feeding, so that was truly a blessing. And of course, we added 1 bottle of water. They can use this water to, of course, to hydrate themselves and also maybe to wash their hands and face and things like that. And then I am going to here just add a cute little note, and you can put Jesus love you, or you are loved, or you matter, whatever you feel in your heart that you want to express to them. It is something that they always notice. For you to take the time to write that is simply a blessing to them. They really love it, and they always appreciate it because they need encouragement as well, and to know that they are not forgotten. And also I am just here adding all the items into the bag after you finish adding all the items to the bag. Now also, let me mention this. I know you see this book that's sitting here, this white book. This is actually an Our Daily Bread book, and it's free. Actually, from Dr. Charles Stanley, In Touch Devotional. It's just a small devotional for them to read if they would like to read, be encouraged with that as well. And these books are free, and they will send you, I may have the number wrong, but it's a huge box. I think it has maybe 1,000 books on it, and it's all free. And again, I am just sort of continuing to write a note. You are loved, you matter. Whatever you feel that you want to say to them and encourage them. And also, when you're serving food, don't forget to put a note on there on the plate as well, the to-go plate, because they love to read it, and it's something that they always notice, as I mentioned before. And just continue here. And you know what? You can even have your children to participate. You know, possibly encourage them to help the unfortunate. Maybe have a pizza party, and maybe you can even do it through your church or through your friend group or a women's department. Something you guys can get together, maybe have a potluck or something, and just put together these bags. And like I said, it's maybe a little bit over $100, maybe $100 a little bit over, to do 120 of these bags, and just have fun with it. Even while you're putting the bags together, say a prayer for them. Pray that God touch the person that will receive the bag. I hope that you are encouraged by this, and I hope that you have enjoyed this video. And remember, do not ever give up before the miracle happens. God bless. Bye.